Welcome to your 10-minute guided meditation. Today we'll focus on instilling a deep sense of calm and positivity, assuring you that you will be okay and your life will be filled with bliss. Please find a quiet spot where you can relax without interruptions. Choose a comfortable position to sit or lie down in, making sure that your body feels supported and at ease. Adjust your posture as necessary. When you are ready, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, pulling in peace and calm. Hold it for a moment to fully absorb it. Then exhale slowly, releasing any tensions or worries. Let's focus on deepening your breathing. Inhale slowly through your nose. Drawing the air deeply into your lungs, allowing your belly to expand. Hold this breath for a few seconds. Then exhale gently through your mouth. Imagining that you are releasing any negative thoughts or stress. This pattern of breathing will help you anchor yourself in the present, preparing your mind and body for deeper relaxation. Start at the top of your head. Relax the muscles in your scalp. Then gradually allow this relaxation to flow downward. Ease the tension in your forehead, your temples, and the muscles around your eyes. Let your eyelids feel heavy, releasing all strain. Move this wave of relaxation over your cheeks, your jaw, letting them become loose and free from tension. Allow the relaxation to spread to your neck and shoulders. Releasing the tightness and weight you carry there. Feel the relief as your shoulders drop away from your ears. Let this peaceful sensation continue down your arms, relaxing your upper arms, your elbows, your forearms, and finally, your hands and fingers. Shift your focus to your torso. Relax your chest. Feeling your ribcage expand and contract gently with each breath. Let your back muscles loosen, from your upper back down to your lower back. Allow this feeling of relaxation to envelop your abdomen, softening it with each exhale. Continue this calming progression down your hips, your thighs, letting go of any tension in these large muscle groups. Relax your knees, your calves, and finally let the relaxation flow over your ankles, feet, and toes. Leaving your entire body in a state of complete relaxation and peace. With your body deeply relaxed, begin to fill your mind with positive affirmations. Silently repeat to yourself, "All is well in my life. I am on a path to enduring bliss." Let these words echo through your mind, soothing you and embedding a sense of certainty about the bright, joyful future ahead. Picture yourself in a perfect place of happiness and peace. This could be a serene beach where the waves gently lap at the shore under a clear blue sky. Or a vibrant garden full of flowers in bloom, the air perfumed with their scents. See yourself moving through this place, feeling content and at peace. Every detail of this environment represents the bliss and serenity that are filling your life. Spend a few moments here, basking in the joy and tranquility of this place. Begin to bring your awareness back to the present. Feel the surface beneath you. Notice the air on your skin and listen to any sounds around you. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, start to wiggle your fingers and toes, gently awakening your body. feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to appreciate the peace and joy you fostered during this meditation. Remember the feelings of serenity and anticipation of bliss as you continue with your day. You are on a beautiful journey towards a life filled with happiness. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. May the peace and bliss you've connected with today flourish in your life every day. Namaste.